Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel YT Motorhouse. Today, we're checking out the all-new 2025 Chevy 3100, a modern twist on a classic. Let's dive right into this beauty, and see if it lives up to the hype. Car details. First up, the Chevy 3100 is a striking throwback to the iconic 1950s design, but with all the tech and performance upgrades you'd expect from a 2025 model. Under the hood, it's powered by a powerful 5.3L V8 engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque, with an option for electric hybrid power in some trims. It's got a tough, work-ready build, and a retro yet futuristic vibe that's hard to miss. Exterior. Looking at the exterior, the 2025 Chevy 3100 blends classic curves with modern accents. The bold front grille and sleek LED headlights are straight out of the future, while the signature round tail lights and chrome bumpers give it that timeless, vintage appeal. The truck sits high on those aggressive all-terrain tires, making it not just a looker, but a powerhouse on the road. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that marries old-school charm with cutting-edge tech. You've got a beautiful mix of leather and wood trim, with a large touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with Chevy's new tech suite. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded sound system make every drive feel premium, while the spacious seating offers ample room for both driver and passengers. Comfort level. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Chevy 3100 doesn't disappoint. The seats are plush and adjustable, providing excellent support whether you're on a long road trip or just cruising around town. The cabin is quiet, with soundproofing that cuts down on road noise, making it feel like you're driving a luxury vehicle rather than a rugged workhorse. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Chevy 3100 shines. The V8 engine provides a smooth, powerful ride, while the advanced suspension system ensures a controlled and stable drive, even on rough terrains. Whether you're towing heavy loads or just enjoying a weekend drive, this truck has the performance to back it up. Plus, it handles surprisingly well for its size, with excellent steering feedback and precision. Conclusion. So, to wrap up, the 2025 Chevy 3100 is a perfect blend of vintage styling and modern innovation. It offers great performance, top-notch comfort, and a look that's bound to turn heads. Whether you're a classic truck fan or just looking for a reliable, powerful ride, this truck is a winner. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. Catch you in the next one.